Hi, crafty friends. It's Mim Jenkinson, your sticker making bestie, and I'm so proud to be a sponsor at the Gift Fest. As someone who found joy and purpose through sticker making during really tough times, I can't wait to see what you will create. Speaking of stickers, would you like to add some extra sparkle to your Cricut or craft projects? Well, you should join my secret sticker society. It's where sticker making magic happens every single month. You will access fun and creative step-by-step sticker making projects and tutorials in Cricut, Silhouette, or Canva. Done for you sticker templates that can be customized and personalized in minutes, and a supportive, crafty community that sticks together. And guess what? As a special just for the Gift Fest community, when you use the code GIFT10, you will get $10 off your first month when you head to mimjenkinson.com/SSS and enter the code GIFT10 at checkout. Don't miss out on this spectacular offer. Join us in Secret Sticker Society and let's make your craft projects pop month after month. See you at the Gift Fest. I can't wait to create crafting magic with you.